me. I follow Amokwe on India today, who is on scholarship, and the person is studying engineering. That person is one chief when I was the chairman of the education committee. And the person who is responsible for that, you are dying one because I remember that the late chancellor called me and said, nominate when we got that call, we completed and then now my topic is from the sports in Amokwe first. My colleague Rebecca will be discussing the non-violence aspect. But when I joined this course, we talked about so many things. We talked about political harmony. But the key thing there, what for, is for sustainable development. In politics, we all know that there must be competition. We're not talking about everybody even in one party. No. What it means that even in competition, even in the same party or in different parties, what matters again? Amokwe first. America started with America first, Nigerian first, Amokwe first. All those things human bringing is that at the end of the day, wherever you are, it's the needs of Amokwe that must be paramount. Essentially, the chairman mentioned that some of this MPN and MPP, we had rivalry that destroyed Amokwe. It was more better for witnessing it. Party got to be with me and make a million. How I say, Nika Chile, I should not make how I say. They did not lie. Now, this focus I achieve now is that I have that meaning. It's mentally, Amokwe first is not today only. But they will tell us in the 50s, when one mayor, one Fulani man, Elijah Aldan, came and campaigned for Enugu Municipal Council in Amokwe. He campaigned under the NPC. What am I doing NPC? That was somewhere. Now, at the same time, she was support of Anambra State with this going on like SES. They also came and campaigned. But I think I never want this on the two people. Can he have no way with it? Now, the story was that it was that man that said, I will give you what? Water. And that water, has seen now I guess. In as much as they did not make a commitment. And that commitment had also made it Amokwe told the whole for the Oyausa. I was someone, I don't know. Now, what are you going to okay, now, in that Amokwe first is not about an APC, an APC, an PDP, wherever you are. In anytime in Batana form or somebody not so, make sure that you do not trade Amokwe for anything, for any individual needs. In all the government, any place I now discuss about parliament, it wouldn't get making it line. Essentially, there were so many people there that told me but that will mean something individually. So many of them is sacrificed, but what should have been for them, their pocket, for their move? One of them will go down in Africa. If, for example, they decided to take the money from his pocket, I can't play this money. There are so many of them that are here that have started it in a way. So what I'm saying is this: I have video here. Somebody's time video every year. We will be coming together. We'll be discussing ourselves. But now that anytime into the format of politics and equal the no one, What we want being a gathering in Amokwe, and that's what we mean by Amokwe first. And how do we get this strategy? Simple. Luckily today, God gave some people opportunity as he did and started what is called Inyi. Because you don't want to make a canon ATM, you can attend. You go there, you have to down this. Now, why I ask this question is, unfortunately, what did I say? An ATM, something that you are going to start giving so much money. No, you bring in what you can. But behind my book, bring your talent, your treasure, and your time for more. Now, ATM appears to be the best strategy. I can align our needs together. It is the only best thing. Open every Ramo with one and Ramo with you. Let's stop him here. Do you think I can how I am now? Because of IPL together now, we're no longer thinking about English. We're thinking, if a scholarship banner, we look at it from one year, never. Now, we also think about who is the best that can go for us. So, this is about Amokwe person. What I'm discussing is about Amokwe needs. And our needs must be focused, our needs must be paramount, our needs must be first before giving our individual needs. And that's all I want to say on sustainable development. Thank you so much.